Two of the most popular products made to repair damaged hair and breakage are Olaplex and K18. But what's the difference between these two products? Do they do the same thing, or is one better than the other? In this video, I'm gonna break down what each of these products do for your hair, how they compare, as well as which one might be better for you based on your hair situation. So at first, Olaplex was created for use in the salon only to prevent chemical damage during the coloring process. Their formula rebuilds the disulfide bonds in the hair. Now, the disulfide bonds are responsible for the strength of the hair. So as hairstylists, we add Olaplex step 1 into your hair color before it's applied to the hair. The hair is then colored like normal, processed, rinsed out, and then we apply step 2 in the form of a deep conditioning treatment. Now, since then, Olaplex has created a plethora of take-home products for you to use at home. So to summarize, Olaplex strengthens the hair by rebuilding the bonds that are broken during the chemical process. This can allow you to go further lengths with lightening the hair without damaging it in the process. Now, K18 uses a peptide technology to reconnect the keratin chains that create the structure of your hair. And keratin is the protein that your hair is made up of. Now, K18 is not actually added into your hair color like Olaplex is. It's more focused on repairing already damaged hair, while Olaplex, on the other hand, is better at stopping the damage from happening in the first place. But similarly to Olaplex, K18 was also initially created for in-salon use only. But they've also branched out and offer a few take-home products to use as well. So to summarize K18, it reconnects the keratin chains once the hair has already been damaged. Okay, now that we know a little bit more about each product, which one is better? So since these products serve two different purposes, it's hard to say which one is better than the other. If you're somebody that is frequently coloring your hair, particularly using bleach or going from light to dark and dark to light often, Olaplex is likely going to be a good choice for you. But if your hair is already damaged, or if you have damage from heat tools, vigorous brushing, or just lack of haircuts, then K18 might be a better option. And this brings me to the next very commonly asked question. Can you use both of them together? So since these products serve two different purposes, they actually work phenomenally together. Both are essential for strong and healthy hair. That being said, I do recommend alternating between the two and not using them both at the exact same time. This is because they each have instructions that are a little bit contradicting. Olaplex is meant to be used before you shampoo and condition, and K18 is not supposed to be used with a conditioner. It's also left in the hair and not rinsed out. So your best bet is to use one product, one wash, and then the next time you wash your hair, use the other product, rather than using them at the exact same time. Now, I want to talk about a somewhat common problem that people face when using either of these two products, and that is why your hair could be feeling straw-like after using them. And so if you have a mineral or product buildup on the hair, it can actually stop the products from entering into your hair strand and doing their job. This causes the product to just sit on the outside of your cuticle so you can really feel it on the outside of your hair. To stop this from happening, it's best to use a clarifying shampoo or a detox shampoo before you perform the service. Next, it's important to understand that both of these products are strengthening and restructuring your hair. Because of this, it's understandable that the hair may feel a little more coarse afterwards because it's stronger. To reduce this straw or horse-like feeling, follow up the treatments with one of their leave-in products afterwards. Olaplex makes numerous oils, serums, as well as leave-in conditioners, and so does K18. And lastly, you want to be sure that you always follow the directions to the T when using either of these products. As I mentioned earlier, they both have very specific instructions that need to be followed in order for them to work properly. Now, I know that it can be confusing when trying to decide which product to purchase, especially when they have so many different products within the one line. So with Olaplex, if you're only looking to get one of their products, I would go with number 3, which is their bond building treatment. And with K18, if you only want to get one of their products, then you're going to want to go with their leave-in mask. That being said, I highly recommend looking into the rest of their products from each of these lines, as using them all are going to really help amplify your results. All right, guys, let me know in the comments if you've ever used either of these products before, and if so, which one do you like better? You can find links to all of the products that they offer in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe if you want to make every day a good hair day.